like milk. Any other brilliant idea? Yes, please.
They in milk.
Okay, they live in milk. Okay, thank you. Not in water, but in milk. Wow. Yes, please.
Their eyes are like milk colors.
Oh, their eyes are like milk color. Thank you. Wow, good. Next one. 185. Almost close to 230. Yes.
183.
183. 220. I think that's the closest. So let's give him a hand. Very good.
Master Jinglong made their armor took nearly 100 curved light bulb pieces. Second, I want to show you another beauty.
How about these water basins here? What do you think they're used for? Can you say again?
For the lords.
Maybe. It is for the gods to wash their faces.
You have to ask the wish or the question, and throw these moon blocks to ask the gods if you can have a stick. Here you go. And you have to near here. And throw it like this.
If you don't want to stand,
You can also stand.
okay.
Soulang cultural plant used to be something different in the past. Can you guess what it was before? Just a clue. Too much of this and under it. Okay.
Train. That was train. That was train.
Good guess, but this answer is not correct. And you.
What do you see here?
Here.
Great! Deer skin. Deer hunting helped shape the tradition of 走标 from the young age. Men were trained to run fast for hunting and combat. Do you know Kung Fu? Really? This troop is known for their Songjiang battle array. This unique tradition is a mix of Kung Fu, or martial arts movement that originated from military practice.